Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham Ali Khan. So last video I have completed two problems on financial statement analysis. In the last two problems I have explained you how to make the common size income statement and common size balance sheet. In this video, third and fourth problem I am going to continue. So one problem will be on comparative income statement and the other problem will be on trend percentages. So watch the video till the end to get the complete command. So all these problems are based on the theory which I have already uploaded. So if you have not watched that theory video on financial statement analysis, I suggest you to go to the playlist of my channel, select the subject Financial Decision Making 1. Select the video of financial statement analysis theory. Watch the complete video. Be acquainted about the methods of financial statement analysis. Then you can easily understand the problems. Now before starting problem number 3, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. Always keep ready the problems before start watching the video. Now take the screenshot of the solution of third and fourth problem, then I'll explain. Now, see the problem number 3. From the following statement of profit and loss for the year ended 30th June 2016 and 2017, prepare comparative income statement. Comparative statement is called horizontal analysis because we are comparing the data of the same company for 2 years. Intra-firm and inter-firm, two comparisons are there. Intra-firm means within the same firm. The same firm 1 year with another year. So here profit and loss account is given for 2016 and 2017. So we have to make a comparative income statement. So data is given 2017, 2016. The first column it is given 17, second column 16. But we require first 16 then 17. So here income. Only one income is the net revenue from operations. Expenses are purchase of stock in trade, changes in inventories, employee benefit expenses. Total expenses are given, then net profit. Income minus expenses will get the net profit. So complete data is given. We are required to make comparative income statement. Now what is the format? See carefully here. This is the first problem on comparative income statement. So comparative income statement for the year ended 30th June 2016 and 2017. The 4 columns we require at the extreme right hand side. The first column is last year 2016 and current year 2017. Then absolute change and percentage change. These 4 columns we require at the extreme right hand side of the page. The first particulars, income. Income is given net revenue from operations. It is directly given. Last year 2016 it is 1600, then 2000. Don't take any other item in this absolute change in percentage. First of all, we take the values of last year and current year, whatever is given in the problem. Expenses. Expense are purchase of stock in trade. Last year 1200, current year 1500. Change in inventories 60, 80. Employee benefit expenses 40, 40. Take the total 1300 is the total expenses last year and 1620 is the total expenses current year. Net profit. A is the income, B is the expenses. So A minus B, 1600 minus 1300, 300. Then 2000 minus 1620, 380. So this is the complete information which is given in the problem. No change. Simply I have taken all the values from the problem. Now 2 columns we have to make, that is absolute change and percentage. How to calculate absolute change? Here formula is given. Absolute change is equal to last year value minus current year value. And percentage change, how to find out this percentage change? Absolute change divided by last year's value into 100. Into 100. For example, net revenue. Net revenue, first of all, I need absolute change. So current year value minus last year value. What is the current year value? 2000. What is the last year value? 1600. So 2000 minus 1600 is 400. is the absolute change. Now percentage change is equal to absolute change divided by last year value into 100. Absolute change is 400. Last year value is 1600. So 400 by 1600 into 100, 25%. So this 25% is the percentage change. That's all. Same procedure we have to adopt for all these things. Second case, purchase of stock in trade. Absolute change is equal to 1500 minus 1200. You will get 300. Percentage change, 300 divided by 1200, last year value, into 100, 25%. So we got 325%. Now, change in inventories. Absolute change, 80 minus 60, 20. Percentage change, 20 divided by 60 into 100, 33.33%. Employee benefit expenses, no change. Last year 40, current year 40. No change at all. So put a dash in both the columns. Now total, 1620 minus 1300, you will get 320. Now 320 divided by 1300 into 100, 24.62. Lastly, net profit, 380 minus 300 is 80. 80 divided by 300 into 100, you will get 26.67. That's all. This is the problem on comparative income statement. After making the income statement, we have to give the interpretation also in the main problem. These are only short problems where we are making just analysis, not interpretation. Main problem, I'll explain you how to interpret these changes. So this is the end of problem number 3. Now, problem number 4. See the fourth problem. You are required to calculate 10 percentages to the following data taking 2015 as the base year. 10 percentage is also one of the method or technique of analyzing the financial statements where more than 2 years data is given. If only 2 years data is given, we could have applied comparative statement. If more than 2 years are given, then we can apply trend analysis. So in this problem, we are required to calculate trend percentage. 3 years data is given. 2015, 2016, 2017. And clearly it is given, take 2015 as the base year. That's what given in the problem. Now current assets are given, cash, debtors, stock in trade and other current assets. All the values are given for 2015, 2016 and 2017. All the values are given. We have to calculate 10 percentage. Now, calculation of 10 percentages base year is 2015. So, 2015, 2016, 2017. Now, current assets. Cash, debtors, stock in trade, other current assets. These 4 items are given in the problem. Now, base year 2015. Take the values of base year as 100. Always. Whenever we are calculating trend percentages, first year normally is the base year. And for the base year, take all trend values as 100. These are all trend values. Trend values are 100 I have taken. Now, the other values of trend percentages are calculated as follows. These other trend percentages will be calculated by using the formula. What is that formula? Value in the current year divided by value in the base year into 100. So, what is the percentage? Trend percentage? Value in the current year divided by value in the base year into 100. This is the formula. Now one by one we'll take. For example, first one is cash. Now come to the original problem. In original problem you can see cash current year is 2016. 2015 all values we have taken 100. 2015 all values we have taken 100. Now we need 2016 and 2017. So 2016 what is the cash? 120. So current year cash is 120, base year cash is 100. So 120 by 100 into 100. Now see here, 120 by 100 into 100 is 120. Now take this 120 then. This is the 120 in 10 percentage for 2016. So here I have taken 120. Now 2017, the cash is 80. So current year cash is 80, base year cash is 100. So 80 by 100 into 100, here 80 by 100 into 100, 80. 10 percentage is 80 for 2017, here I have taken 80. Now I am coming to debtors. Debtors, here debtors for the current year 2016. 2016 debtors are 250. and base year debtors are 200. So 250 by 200 into 100. This 250 by 200 into 100, 125. Debtors are 125 for 2016 here. Similarly, for 2017, the debtors are 325. So 325 by 200 into 100. 325 by 200 into 100, 162.5. So here I have taken 162.5. Now stock in trade. The stock in trade for 2016 is 400. So 400 by 300 into 100. Here you can see 400 by 300 into 100, 133.33. So here I have taken 133.33. Next one, stock in trade 350. 2017 350. 350 by 300. So 350 by 300 into 100, 116.67. 116.67. Last one is other current assets. For 2016, it is 75. So 75 by 50 into 100. So 75 by 50 into 100, 150. So we have taken 150. Last and final, the other current assets are 125. So 125 by 50 into 100. 125 by 50 into 100, 250. That's all. These are called trend percentages. So in this video, two problems I've completed, that is third and fourth problem. So these four problems are short problems where simply we have calculated, analyzed, we have not given any interpretation. In examination, a short question may be asked to simply calculate, analyze, no interpretation. Main problem, long problem is there. There you have to make the analysis and also you have to make the interpretation. So in these four short problems, I have explained you how to make the common size, how to make the comparative, and how to make the trend percentages. Inshallah, next video, the main problems on financial statement analysis I'll start.